This is a PSA about color blindness. Now you may be asking, what is it? Color blindness or color deficiency occurs when you are unable to see colors in a normal way. It often happens when someone is unable to tell the difference between certain colors. There are different degrees of color blindness, and the most common misconception is that color blindness is when people see in shades of gray, but in reality that is uncommon. Symptoms. It includes difficulty distinguishing between colors and the inability to see shades or tones of the same color. Life outcomes. Color blindness is commonly seen from birth. It affects the eyes equally and remains stable through life. Treatments. Currently, there is no treatment for congenital color blindness, but there are contact lenses and glasses that are available with filters to help color deficiencies. Is there a test for the disease? Yes, there is a test for color blindness called the Ishihara plates. They contain 38 plates of circles created by irregular colored dots in 2 or more colors. The plates get put in front of a patient and the patients respond with what they see. Some plates contain numbers that only people with normal vision can see, whilst others contain numbers that only people with color blindness can see. Who should get tested? Children, either male or female, at a young age should get tested, since inherited color blindness can be present at birth. But if you haven't gotten checked, you should. The genetics of color blindness. It is sex-linked recessive, meaning that color blindness is passed through the parents because of a recessive gene. In order to have a colorblind child, both parents have to carry the recessive gene. As shown here, the female is normal, but she carries the recessive gene. And in the male here, he also carries the recessive gene, resulting in 50% chance in a female having color blindness and 50% chance in a male having color blindness. Pros and cons of having children with color blindness. The vision of most colorblind people is normal besides the color and needing certain adaptation methods. Otherwise, there are no large pros or cons to someone being colorblind, and the gift of a child is worth much more than no child.